Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate American Express business account for tax tracking, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate your American Express business account for tax tracking, start by visiting the American Express website. Log into your American Express business account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Services section on the main menu. Look for the option labeled Manage Your Account. In this section, select Access and Security. Find the authentication link or option. Click on Set up two-factor authentication if it's not already enabled. You will be prompted to verify your identity through your registered email or phone number. Follow the prompts to receive a verification code. Enter the code in the designated field to proceed with the authentication. Once your identity is verified, return to your account dashboard. To prepare for tax tracking, locate the Statements and Activity option. Download the most recent statements by selecting the relevant period. Export your transaction history, preferably in a CSV format for easier analysis. Open the downloaded file using your preferred spreadsheet software. Review all transactions for accuracy and categorize them according to your business expenses. To ensure accountability, save this document in a secure location. For ongoing tax tracking, set a reminder to download your statement monthly. This will help you maintain accurate records for your business finances. If you encounter any issues, contact American Express customer service for assistance. With your account authenticated and statements organized, you're all set for efficient tax tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.